Hello everyone. We will show you how to adjust the panel display settings. First you have to set the language on the energy panel display. This setting is available in the configuration menu. Then you can adjust the circuit breaker protection settings on the panel display. To do so, the panel display has to be connected to the external power supply. Then the ER max should be set on the circuit breaker. Validate with the joystick. To unlock the display, press the right button and enter the default password. Select OK. The padlock is now unlocked and you can modify the circuit breaker protection settings. Select the protection menu on the display. IR is set at 80A. Select the value and adjust it accurately using the arrow keys. Validate. Go to the next setting, adjust it and validate, etc. Repeat this operation for the long time delay, short time delay and instantaneous settings. You can also modify the settings and adjust the neutral protection at 50% of the phase protection, if needed. Proceed the same way for the ground protection, GND. The setting of the protection device is completed. Now we can browse together the other menus. Here is the protection menu described previously. In the measure menu, we can view the various types of measures classified per category. Use the menu alarms to set up the alarms. The screen data. The date and the password can be set, using the menu configuration. Measuring settings can be changed, maximum and minimum measurements stored can be reset, and alarms in the log file can be deleted. Finally, in the information menu, you can view the data of the circuit breaker, the various log files and the serial number of the display. Press the central arrow key for a few seconds to reach the main menu, where you can scroll the measures categories selected as favorites.